Why don't I dream?
Why don't I dream? A good question, isn't it? Stay with this video and it might actually help you out. Why don't I dream? A good question. Number 1. Computer, screen, TV, telephone. Using it before you're going to bed, which not gonna help you with your dreams. Inconsistent bedtime. You gotta go to bed at the same time and wake up about the same time. Try to do like within 30 minutes and that's gonna help you with your dreams. So remember, inconsistent bedtime. Party, party, yoo-hoo! Too many parties and I'm drinking some cocktail and some beer and I'm going to have a easy sleep. I will fall asleep quickly. But it ain't gonna help you with your dreams. Nothing excited in your life. Woohoo! My life is nothing excited and therefore there is nothing to dream about because everything is boring. So perhaps try something new in your life. Learn a salsa dance or some other dance or go, if you normally don't go in the park, have a walk in your park. Maybe try cycling if you don't cycle usually. Learn something new like singing or something like that. Perhaps start singing. That's create some excitement in your life and something different and you will probably start dreaming about that as well. And lastly, you simply don't care. But you might be thinking, oh, but I type on YouTube, why don't I dream? So I got to be caring. But that is not enough. You have to talk to your subconscious mind. So in order to talk to your subconscious mind, stop doing some of these things what I told you earlier and read some books about some more tips or search on YouTube some other tips what might help you and do them. That will help with your subconscious mind telling, oh, I dream, I care about my dreams, I want to recall them. Hey you, if this was useful to find out why don't I dream, leave me a comment below and if you got any more questions let me know so I can check them out in my next video.